wants to get started first on this?
What are you, Southern now? Are you a Ram commercial?
Yeah, the all new.
Okay. Well,
Okay. All right.
So you going top to bottom? Or you just pick whatever. Because I mean we could just go top to bottom.
I feel like top to bottom would be easiest.
Okay, so where do you put penis face?
uh, right here because he really isn't, you know. But he's cool.
He's tolerable.
Average, I guess. I mean, he was.
I just don't like him.
Well, then he's going to the bottom. Okay.
Well, you have your own opinion.
True.
I just don't like him.
Here, I'll just put tolerable. He's really weird though. Okay. Now, what about her? You know what? I remember, but here, put her up here.
Let's say let's do both. Both of them are the same. Wherever
Where's
the
the
other
other
one
one?
is.
Just
I
like
saw her.
right
There she
here.
is.
Yeah, right there. Oh god, they look like they're kissing. All right.
Yeah, that's great. Oh, is somebody gonna ship them now?
Gotta obviously.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just don't put it in that upper.
Oh yeah, no. You're gonna get the FBI knocking on your door. Where do you suppose you know, I'd say right about in this category, I guess.
Let's see.
Maybe, I don't know. Not my favorite. I will say that.
She's right on the verge of great and waifu material.
Oh, her?
Yeah, for me.
I thought you didn't like her.
Applejack?
Yeah.
She was like just outside my top 10, I think.
Oh, well then, where do we put these two?
They're awesome.
You wanna put them up here?
Nah. Well,
Oh.
actually, we'll put them. Oh man. I don't know if we should do. I should do. Well,
Oh crap! That shows
What'd
the
you do?
Discord server.
What'd you do? You broke it.
I didn't break it. It just does that. All right, let's see what your list is looking like. I'm gonna kill you. I'm coming to your house. I got bronchitis. Okay, we're putting these two up here.
Yeah. It's been day with him. I'm not gonna put him in great though.
No, average. Subpar.
You don't have to change him every time I change it.
No. You give me a second opinion, so I gotta think. All right, this one.
Because you changed Applejack from tolerable to great just because I liked her.
No. Let's not think about that. That's not how a tier list video works.
She's tolerable.
Yeah. She was kind of a douche in the beginning, but whatever. Oh, we got you already know. We gotta put him in great. He says like
Big Mac's
2 words.
great. Brayburn's tolerable. Well, he's average.
Yeah.
He's okay.
He barely makes any appearances. Oh no. Is there a not alive category?
I mean, it changes from presentation mode every time you click off.
Yeah, I know it does. I don't know how I can fix that. Whatever, as long as the video looks good and sounds good.
He was average.
Average, yeah, I'd say.
We have like the same tier list.
Oh my god, we kind of wait. Oh no, wait. Let me take a second look at this. Oh my god.
You gotta have some variety.
Yeah, I know. Oh god, bulk.
We can't.
Big boy. You gotta put him on here. Oh.
Oh, Chancellor
yeah.
Nene.
Yeah, he's going to the don't like category.
He's kind of rude.
Oh yeah, the entire time he is.
Chili's average.
I don't know. I barely see her and or care for the character. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, that's Weird Al. Where are we gonna put him?
What do you think he should get?
I think average.
I don't like him.
Or, tolerable.
Yeah, I don't really like him. It's not a. He's a little too energetic for me.
Oh yeah, way too energetic. But I like tuned him out half the time. That's why I put tolerable.
Who is this? Cherry Jubilee?
Yeah,
I don't really remember what she does.
yeah. I think I'm just gonna go with that same thing. She exists. Oh
Was this
god,
the chief or something? I don't know.
Chief Big Boy.
He was in like an episode.
One episode.
I'm still mad that Daybreaker isn't here.
Yeah, that kind of sucks. Whatever. Oh.
You see, they
where did
birth decent children, but then they birth Pinky.
And yeah, the hell spawn. Where do you suppose?
I guess she's average. She's just kind of there. Average is for the ponies that are kind of there, or that I'd want to hang out with every now and then.
Yeah.
Great ponies are the ones I would hang out with every day if I could. Wife and material are the ones that live with me.
Oh god. Jesus Christ. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, she's yeah.
I see we have different opinions on this one.
Yeah, she's not quite wife material for me.
Listen, I don't know why. But, oh.
Yeah.
You're gonna put her up. You're thinking, huh? You're thinking, oh.
You know, lack of content puts her here.
That's why I did that.
If she was in more episodes, easy.
Yeah. Oh, good. This guy.
He's tolerable.
Yeah. He's just an old guy. Oh.
What do you put Daring to?
Oh. Yeah. Where do I put Daring? I'm thinking. I don't know. Where? This wasn't lack of content. Now I'm just thinking.
I mean, you don't talk about her much. I wouldn't say she's wife material for you.
Oh.
Hey, yeah. Oh, you don't like her? Interesting.
Not really. I mean, she was kind of thick. Oh. Oh, yes.
He was great.
The man himself. Who we got now? Oh. Oh. Wait, I gotta see. Oh my god, why?
He's tolerable.
Yeah. Barely talks.
Really? Tolerable for you? I thought she'd be higher.
Maybe like average. I mean, she doesn't even talk.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of the loud music. I'm surprised she's not deaf.
I think she is.
Yeah, probably. Dr. Hooves.
Tolerable, I guess? Average?
He's average. He's just
Yeah.
kind of there.
He barely shows up, so.
Featherweight.
Oh, good. He's British. You know what that means. No. Wait, is he the British one? No, that's this idiot down here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get hate comments.
He's a child,
Yeah,
so he's tolerable.
yeah.
I don't like children.
Oh god, good. It's
Except for Flurry Heart. I love Flurry Heart.
It's Mr. Pennybags
Oh, penny bags.
from Monopoly. Get it? Because it's Hasbro. Hey,
I don't like him.
I saw where you put Daring Do. Yeah, me neither. He's a douche.
What are you talking about?
Oh, nothing. Let me just switch my screen. Oh. I see. Alright. Respectable. Huh? What now?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's an easy answer.
They're just annoying.
Oh, yeah. I hate that it flashes every time I do that. Oh, speaking of flash.
Yeah, you're just flashbanging everyone. Oh, Sim Sentry.
Oh, good. Where does he go? Rock Hoof, he won't. Oh. I'm not gonna get cancelled.
Over here looking like my tier list almost exactly. We've got like 2 that are different.
We have very same opinions. Oh. Hey!
I mean, okay, so yes, it's yours, but
Yeah, I
it doesn't
get it.
change the fact.
I agree. Alright.
A flurry up and great.
Yeah.
I love flurry.
She's an iPad kid.
Her wings are longer than her entire body.
Larger than her entire brain cell.
Yeah.
I don't think she thinks. She just exists. Alright, we're running out of room.
Okay, it'll double.
Oh, right. Double up. See, yeah. Yeah. Oh, God. It's the other griffin.
Ah,
Where do we put...
that guy.
Yeah, where do we put this guy?
I don't like this guy for a reason.
I'm just gonna put
Hmm.
only because I don't have the same problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
You don't have that problem.
Oh, good.
What problem? I mean, I don't know. I don't know what problem.
I don't like this guy. He's douchey. Tolerable.
Yeah. I mean, he's kind of cool because he had that one episode where he shows his inner self.
I didn't think of that. I kind of just thought of him as the mean guy.
Yeah.
Like, I didn't remember that episode for a reason.
Oh, hey, you do you?
Yeah, whatever. We got our own opinions. Alright.
What, Gilda?
Tolerable. No. Wait. Average. I'm putting her in average.
Okay.
Honestly, I don't know. But... Oh, good. It's Mr. Elf.
Oh, the granny's got to go up with the other grannies.
It's just, yeah.
Golden delicious.
I hurt my...
Oh, Grandpa Griff, I don't like him.
He's a...
Even though Krogar was just Discord, I still don't like him.
Yeah. There's reasons why I don't like him. Oh, good. This guy.
This hoity-toity.
Yeah, hoity-toity.
Hoity-toity looking at...
Who's a douche? Oh, yes. Oh, it's this
He's
guy?
average.
Yeah. Wait. Oh. Here. The same tier list, basically.
We got more differences now.
Yeah, it's starting to get different.
Now that you're getting your own opinion for a lot of these characters.
Oh, Iron Will. Where do you
Man, I'm tempted to put him in the great because of the memes, but
honestly, maybe average?
I think he's just tolerable. To me, he's tolerable.
To me, he's average because of all the jokes I've made with him. Oh, God.
Why?
King's Son.
Why exercise when you could cry out your eyes?
Me every day. Where do we put King's Son? Yeah, I don't like him. He's pretty mean.
You put, oh yeah, you put Garble down there. It's like we have the same number, but I think, oh yeah, we got a few differences on the don't likes.
Yeah. Oh look, it's wait. Why does yours look different than mine? Oh, never mind. I just wasn't scrolled down enough.
Oh. Mine's also, my screen's bigger, so this is
I have a 32-inch monitor.
this is how far I scroll up.
Alright, what do we put lightning dust?
Lightning dust. I don't like her. She's annoying.
Yeah. She's got like a bigger ego than Dash,
So
which is surprising.
a little strong heart. Okay. So I know her and know what she did. But she's kind of forgettable, so I'm gonna put her in the I don't remember.
Yeah, I don't really like her that much. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hmm.
My Steam's going off.
Hmm.
Where do we put Mage Meadowbrook?
In the greats. Definitely where I'm putting her. Oh god. Look who's next.
Oh.
The whole trio is here.
The whole trio, yeah. So you see, I know she doesn't really appear much, but for me, there's a little pattern going on here. Listen, we've talked about this.
Tolerable.
Yeah. She's just kind of there. I gotta move my mic. I'm probably blowing air into it.
I don't hear it.
Oh, well, because I got noise suppression on Discord, but yeah.
Alright.
Where do we put mod?
I'm going between tolerable and I don't like.
Yeah.
She's just kind of meh. I don't like people with just meh energy.
She's super boring. I'm just gonna put her in the... Yeah. Honestly. Oh, Mayor.
Yeah, she's
She's cool.
tolerable. I could hang out with her, but it's just not often.
She sounds like Spike, but female. The Mayor.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna... Yeah, I'm gonna put her up in average.
She's just cuddled there.
Yeah, this exists.
What do you keep clicking on that flashes? And that makes it come out of presentation.
I have no idea. I'm clicking my mouse 5 and 4 buttons.
What?
The side buttons on my mouse.
It goes back and forth. It goes back and forth on the Chrome pages.
Oh.
It's like pressing the arrows to go back and forth pages.
I set up bad hotkeys on OBS. Hold on, I gotta change my hotkeys for OBS. God.
Good job.
Yeah, I'm a real smart one. Switch to scene. Yep. I am just the best, I know. No one's like me. Number pad 5. And number pad decimal. Does that work? No. Wait, what? Help! My OBS isn't working. Wait, why is it still set? Oh, hold on. Sorry. I know why, because I set it as toggle in-game overlay. For the...
Ah.
Hold on. God, this is just putting such a block in the video.
Oh no.
What?
Spike's fake dad is coming up.
Oh, good.
We all know where he's going.
Oh, yeah. Don't like, because he's a mean... He's a... I don't know. God,
Okay.
I wish I had macro keys.
Oh yeah. Those, the buttons I never touch.
Yeah. I'm just gonna do... Wait. Welcome back to Joey does OBS for 20 minutes straight.
Bought the K100 just for the switches and the wrist rest.
Yeah, I know.
I use no. I do like the side glow on it though,
Yeah.
and the rear glow, the strip.
I gotta admit, that keyboard is pretty cool. Okay.
It's baffle.
Does it work? No! Sorry. I just switched. Get me back on there. I done goofed.
Man, you already have more waifus up there than I do.
Listen here. Quiet.
And more don't likes. I have a lot in the middle. Actually, what do I? Oh, I have a lot more tolerables.
Wait. Ah! Aren't I just the smartest person?
Yeah.
Leave me alone, I know what I did wrong. Okay, back to the video.
All the princes and princesses are coming up.
Ooh. What about Mistmane? Whatever her name is.
Miss Main, she's great. I'm probably gonna end up putting all of the.
The pillars up there, yeah.
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 Mr. Cake, average. Mrs. Cake.
Where are you putting her, huh? I gotta switch to my other monitor.
It's up there. It's up there.
Oh, good. I think I know for reasons. Okay.
Oh, what? Cause she's got cake.
Welcome back to Blake. Scares me.
Mrs. Cake has cake. That's just how it is. Fluttershy's parents. Well, I mean, to you, they birthed the perfect waifu, but you know.
Oh. This is going on the internet.
To me, they're just kind of there.
I mean, oh, I have to. Just because. Oh.
I mean, hey, if it was in the universe, they'd probably become your parents-in-law.
We're getting too far with this. Okay.
Ever. What? Oh, she's tolerable. I like. She was okay in the end.
I put her in don't like because she's a Karen. I don't. Who is this?
I think a camp counselor.
I'm just gonna put him in the don't remember category.
For what camp though? Hold on.
Who knows?
Yeah, I have no idea. I'm just gonna put her. I don't remember. She looks like, or maybe like a scout leader or something.
Yeah. Oh, Mudbriar. That's an easy don't like.
I don't remember.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, nope, not Nightmare
Oh,
Moon.
no, Nightmare Moon's cool. What do you mean?
Yeah, well,
Well, not cool in a sense. Like,
she was cool, but not good.
that's what I mean. Oh, good. Oh, so Oh, look who's up next. Octavia. Great. Alright. Put her in the... Where should we put Nightmare Moon? Oh, we got a ways to go.
I can't put her in the I don't like. You know what? We're about halfway done.
Yeah,
I can't put her in the I don't like because I like her. She's cool.
she is.
But do you even put her in tolerable? Because she's not even tolerable.
She's just mean.
But she's super cool.
I would say, what about average? Because that's just a middle ground.
I'm gonna put her in great because she was just great character.
Yeah, I would have to agree with that. Okay, Ocellus. Oculus. Tolerable. Yeah.
Oculus.
Basically is with those damn eyes. Where are you about to put her? Let me see that. Oh, average. Yeah.
It's a little different for you.
I'd say great. Only because I like music and stuff. So. Yeah, you kind of have to.
I want to finish.
And she's tolerable, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Look who's up next, the crack addict.
Where do you think she should go?
Okay. Tolerable. Only because she's not psycho all the time.
Yeah.
Sometimes she can be decently helpful.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna put her in the tolerable category.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Oh, good. British. You know what that means. No.
He's a child.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding. He's dumb.
Yeah.
I don't like children. Oh, these two?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the other one?
I despise them.
Wait, where's the other one? Am I blind? Oh, yeah.
There. Right there.
I was blind. They're so annoying.
Oh, good. It's this guy. Oh,
He hit on rarity.
I don't even like him as a character.
He hit on rarity.
Listen, I know. Oh, good.
It's Rutherford. He's great.
Yeah.
Tiny pink pony.
Oh, look who's up next. I want to see where you put this one. And I know where you... This one's hard.
You know where I want to put her, but
I know. Yeah, I know
my
exactly.
brain, my common sense is telling me not to do that
Just put her in great.
for one very specific reason.
Yeah, yeah,
Look,
'cause,
it's shine armor.
yeah, shine armor. Oh, look.
Na 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 na
Oh,
na 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 na.
I saw that. I put her in great.
I see.
Oh, good, Ember.
Look who has the more waifu materials now. Horny hor.
Hurdy. Jesus, dude, this video's almost 30 minutes long.
Oh good god. Just no.
Child.
Well.
What? Well. Head ass. Uh-oh.
We're getting up to Silverstream. And yeah, alright, so let's just continue. Luna.
Yeah. Where do you suspect she goes? Yeah.
She's always up. I mean, I guess after she retired she wouldn't be, but she's just always up at night.
Yeah.
You know, if you wouldn't get much time with her. Twilight is
I see we both oh, good. Yeah. For obvious reasons.
Queen Nova was tolerable.
Yeah, she's kind of there.
There are a lot more. I thought I would like forget a lot more of the characters than I actually did.
When you see them again, you just remember. Kind of clicks.
Yeah. Really? Rakuf.
Oh yeah, he's gotta go in great. Whoever's watching this, please look up "Friendship is Gick 4." I'll link it in the description. Oh, that's great. Is this?
What about Rumble?
I guess he's average. I don't really see much of him, so I couldn't say much.
He's tolerable.
Yeah, isn't he Thunderlane's brother or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, good sandbar.
He's tolerable. He's just kind of meh.
Average California resident.
He's boring. It's like
Alright.
a chill yak fan. Who's this?
She's that one singer.
Oh, Sapphire Shores.
Yeah, that one.
I don't really remember much of her, so I'm just gonna put her there. I know Rarity is always making a dress or something for her, but
Yeah,
I don't really remember her much.
yeah.
And then, whatever her name is. Sassy Saddles.
That.
I knew it was some Saddles. She's cool actually.
Yeah. Yeah, she's pretty cool. Oh no. Yeah. That's automatic great.
I love Skittle.
Oh, I skate. Oh, good. Shine armor.
Nah, Shine Armor's awesome.
Yeah. He's. We make so many jokes about. Uh-oh. So where do you think that slime guy goes?
The slime guy? Oh yeah. So Spike's
Caught
fake
in-
dad.
Caught in 8K.
It's
Great.
get it, it's dangerous territory, but
Yeah, we get it. You don't have saying it more makes it sound worse, okay? Let's just put it that way.
it's fine. Canonically, she's dead, so it's okay.
Alright, way to make everybody sad. All of the 2 viewers.
She's 112, guys.
Listen, guys, she's 500.
Where do we put the fat guy?
Oh, he's just awful.
Yeah, I can't believe. Okay, I can't believe he went there just to like use them for what for the stupid whatever. That's like me going to your house and being like, hey, can I use your PC for your 3080? Sure.
All right,
Alright, where do we put? Yeah. Jesus.
Smolder's cool.
This list is getting big.
Oh man,
Ooh,
slime guy.
Don't remember. Well, I remember. It's just
He was.
he's not even a. He just exists.
What party was he at? Was he at the gala?
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, because Discord was there.
Yeah, it was the one Discord where Discord brought him or it instead of because Fluttershy took Tree Hugger, aka the hippie hippopotamus.
And then
I guess
What?
it's kind of there. I mean, average.
Oh. And then like Discord showed Tree Hugger.
Never
Like
mind, he's
the-
forgettable.
Yeah, the 7th layer of hell.
Yeah, I remember that.
Remember? Oh, dude. What's going on? Or whatever.
Snips is annoying
Yeah.
Snails is tolerable.
Harry, why'd you put me in that? Oh god. My impression sounds like Rick from Big Mouth.
What do you think of them?
Who?
Simpson snails.
I don't know. They're just kind of there and annoying. They're a little annoying.
So,
What?
why'd you put snails in tolerable?
Harry. He's going to I don't like because I don't know. They're just annoying. Honestly.
I put him up in tolerable because he was like a god at that one sport. Whatever it was called.
Hoofball? Wait. Was it a hoofball?
Maybe I don't remember.
Balls? I don't know. Anyways,
Fluttershy. What was it? Fluttershy, Dash, and Snails.
something like that. Yeah. I don't.
Pinky? No, because I think you needed a unicorn, a Pegasus, and Earth Point. So I think it's Pinky.
Yeah.
It's Pinky, Fluttershy, and Snails.
Yep. Oh god.
Oh, good.
Oh, that was on video.
Our favorite Rainbow Dash ship.
Oh, good. Soren Dash. Where do we put this guy?
Average,
Yeah.
at least for me. He's just
He exists. That's what I'm just gonna say.
Somnambula is great.
I've noticed.
Sia is the great.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I did not need to hear that. Oh good, Spitfire. Let's see where you put her. It's all you.
Oops.
Yeah.
What do you think of her?
I'm a horrible human being.
No.
Bro. I
Hmm.
just, nothing. Got the old text message. You know,
Which one?
the old,
Oh.
the old, yeah, yep.
Na 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 na
Hmm.
na na na
No, no,
na
no,
na.
not tolerable. Yeah.
Oh, why should I buy material for you, huh?
Mm, mm. Well, you see, it's a bit different than yours.
My reason, I'm literally a sunburst, but yeah.
You know, my reasons are a bit different from yours. Oh, Star Swirl. Bro.
Star Swirl's up there.
Yeah. Oh, good, Stygian.
He's tolerable.
He's annoying, but yeah.
Then, okay. I mean, you do.
What?
That's another one where my heart and mind are thinking two different things.
Yeah. Big Mac's thinking about pulling out the shotgun. What'd you just say?
She's already taken 4. Taken 4?
Oh, Sunburst. Dude, we got him.
Sunburst. Just yep.
He's great. He's literally just you.
Da-na-na. Da-na. Let's see. Oh my god, who was she? I forgot what she did.
Oh, God. Oh.
I completely forgot what she did.
I don't know. I just don't remember her.
Wait, where did we put the ants?
Who?
Did we get to them yet?
Wait, where?
gonna lose. Yeah, so we got to him. Where did we put him?
Oh! Don't. I think we put him in. Don't remember? Wait. No.
Where did they go?
Where did we. They're in here.
They've disappeared. I know for a fact they're here because I saw them. Oh my god, there's no way I am just this blind.
I'm very blind. Oh, look who it is.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
What is actually happening? What is this? Is this an alternate reality?
Yes. Wait.
I am 100% positive I saw them, but they're gone.
What the hell? Okay.
That is so weird.
Very.
This is actually gonna screw with me.
Do you want to just forget about it and move on?
I can't. They were there. I know they were there. I can see their faces in my head right now because I just saw them before we started.
Hold on. I'm looking.
Okay, well, so okay, that was so we've just stepped into an alternate reality.
Yep.
I'm gonna have to. I don't have any way to go back to that. I guess I'll just refresh it when we're done. I swear to God they were there.
Whatever.
That's so weird. Well, okay.
Alright,
So now that I have freaked out over that,
wait, is Trixie here? Yeah, there she is.
yeah.
This tier list
Hold
is
on.
huge.
Yeah. Is that big alright?
Alright, right on.
Right on, mate.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't even remember him.
Oh.
What did he do?
Remember that episode with, I think it was Rara or whoever?
Oh, he's the manager.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a douche. Sweetville goes up to the grapes with the rest of the CMC.
Basically. Oh, look who it is. Tempest.
She's average for me.
Yeah. For me, she's tolerable. Oh, good. Storm King. Hate him.
Actually, to be honest, for me, she's great. Storm King? Nah.
Yeah, he's annoying.
Even after the fact, there was no like redemption for him. He was just a douche.
He just died.
Thorax.
He's average. I mean, he's cool, but...
I'm putting him intolerable.
yeah. Oh god, is that T-Rex? Just like really skinny.
He's dumb.
Eat my milk today.
Hate Trender Hooves.
Oh, I know why.
Trender Hoof. Trixie's a great. Well, Oh no.
What?
All right. Yeah. So where are you putting Trixie?
Hey, can you scroll up for me?
Where are you putting Trixie?
Scroll up for me.
I see how it is. I
Scroll up
see
for me.
how it is.
Douchebag.
What?
I knew she was up there. You the fool.
Trixie's awesome.
I'm just gonna put her in the tolerable. I don't even know.
She was that one that I think she was what the. Didn't she go like no? Who was it? I think she was in that one where they did the newspaper or whatever, the story for the school.
Yeah.
I don't remember if she turned good or evil. I think she was the good one. Oh yeah, she got elected after Diamond Tiara got kicked out. Yeah, she's good. She's good.
I put her in tolerable because I barely remember her. But yeah, she's cool. Oh.
This guy's a douche.
Oh yeah. Basically almost. Didn't he like almost ruin Dash's whole career?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, Yona.
Tolerable.
Yeah, she's kind of annoying. Not gonna lie.
Couldn't stay around her for long.
Probably stanky.
Zakura's great. I love Zakura.
Probably be
Apparently,
like the weak and
I know a Zakura fan too.
Oh, good.
Huh.
Super.
So
What? Is this instance different for me?
a little bit. Seeing as the fact that so if you and Flirt, he's your.
See,
Yeah, you'd have to tolerate him.
I don't.
I don't.
I'm just.
Who
gonna-
was? Who was this? I don't remember.
I don't know.
I've seen that face.
Oh, good. Look this up.
Zipper Will. She's awesome.
Yeah.
Who's a good puppy?
Oh,
Who's
good.
a good puppy?
Starlight and Trixie are both out there.
Yeah, I got Starlight and Starlight 2.0.
Oh, Autumn. I'm just gonna look away.
We're just gonna put her in the grape. We're just gonna put her in the grape.
That's more like.
Yeah. All right.
This
So
video is gonna take an hour or like 50 hours to upload.
Dash's parents. Where's her mom? Dash's parents. They're average. They were good.
But a
They were
little
just
annoying.
yeah. They were
Overly
too
supportive.
that. They were
Overbearing.
just too out there.
There's a point where you can be too supportive of your children. And they are the definition of that.
I don't know who these two are. I've seen him.
Don't mind it. I'm just gonna
But
put-
I don't. Yeah, I don't really remember them.
I don't know. This one looks like an OC. I think she's from the, like one episode only.
Hold on, I want to know who she is. Oh God, the Indian guy.
The one that looks like me.
Hold on. This will only take a second. It's coconut cream. I don't know what she did.
Who knows?
And then what was that other kettle
Think of
corn?
this. Wait, what?
Forgot kettle corn existed.
Damn, this list is big.
Pound cake and pumpkin cake.
Oh god.
Yeah, silver spoon.
My latest
Right.
addition to my football collection. What?
Spur. Star Tracker's not on here.
That sucks. Well, too bad.
Oh yeah, Twist.
Hmm.
That's what her name was. Super well. Oh my god, there's so many Phillies.
Are you researching every single one of their names?
I'm just looking through the Phillies. I'm trying to find that other
Oh god.
kid with the hat.
I think his name's Button Mash or something.
Yeah,
Save you like 10 minutes.
was it him or his mom that was in your chat?
I don't remember.
It's cool. Okay.
Alright, Derpy, come on.
Derby. Oh, the Indian guy, huh?
Put him in average. He's just there.
Okay, I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna put him here, but I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna say why.
Hey!
But I'm just gonna put him here. I'm not gonna say why because I'll probably get canceled by Twitter. The doctors, I really don't remember them.
Yeah, they're kind of just
I only remember the one.
medic from
That's-
CS2.
It's her, because she helped Fluttershy.
Mhm. Oh, and this one too.
Oh yeah, Nurse Joy.
Yeah. Look who's at the bottom
The
of the tier list.
Bottom? Excuse you, why is she at the bottom?
Jesus Christ, you're peaking my audio. God. Okay.
Is there a reason she's at the bottom?
I don't know, and I'm not gonna try and go through and figure that out.
It's
Oh,
just
Lyra.
Lyra?
Put her in great.
Her? Yeah, she's. Yeah, well.
I'm gonna put this one in average. Cause
I'm gonna put Lyra. Well, okay, so yeah, we'll put Lyra in gray. She's there. Moon Dancer. Moon Dancer's average. She's just a Twilight reskin.
literally. Oh,
Twilight's dad.
tolerable, I guess. Average.
Yeah, he's average.
He's just kind of the dad. The nurse. Where do we put her?
Average. I'm gonna put her average.
Same. She's rememberable, I guess.
I'm gonna put Mrs. Indian in average.
YouTube, please don't copyright strike my video.
Copyright strike.
Not copyright. Cancel me.
So who's this guy?
I don't know. I'm gonna put him in don't remember.
Yeah,
I ain't doing research. I'm getting
like I think he was one of the
patient.
Wonderbolts.
Oh,
I don't remember.
this is First mom.
Tolerable. She was kind of annoying, but you know, if I'm sunburned, that's she's kind of tolerable. Like, yeah, she was better in the end of the episode. Did you dime one?
Huh?
Did you dime one?
I'm gonna put her in tone, yeah.
Bonbon's average. Lyra's great, but Bonbon's average. Even though she's Special Agent Sweetie Drops or something, whatever that is. Tularula.
Huh?
What did she do?
Oh my god, I haven't heard that name since G3. Oh, wait, where'd you put average?
Yeah. I don't remember what Tularula did. I only remember her name somehow.
I don't know.
So, last 6. I know where 3 of them are going. But the other 3. So Starlight's mom. Or not Starlight, Twilight's mom. She's great. What are you doing?
Oh, sorry. Someone texted me. I'm gonna put her in tolerable.
Tree hugger tolerable?
Yeah, I'm gonna put. Oh god, trouble hooves.
He's good. Well, he's average. He's good, but you know he's just kind of not really there.
He's kind of funny, but that's about all he has to offer.
I put Twilight's mom at great because Twilight's mom's awesome. Who's messaging you?
Who do you think?
So I want to see where you put these 3 first before I do it.
I'm thinking, man. I don't. What do you think?
I want to see what you think.
Put her in great only because I wrote. You know.
Huh?
Oh god damn it, auto scroll.
See, I see. So where are you putting Rarity, huh?
Great. Because she's
I
great.
see.
And we're finished.
Yes.
I'm finished. With life. Now time to switch over to you.
I mean, it's an easy choice.
Yeah. You know what? I can turn my.
Okay.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching, whoever finds this on YouTube. And,
Oh man.
subscribe, I guess, for more cringe-worthy content. What do you gotta say for them, Blake?
I eat fruit roll-ups.